You've probably scrolled past TEMU before, but trust me, you've never seen gadgets like these. From hats that literally power a fan with sunlight to drones that can drop water bombs, these finds will make you say, "Why didn't I get this sooner?" Today, we're diving into 33 mind-blowing TEMU gadgets that are fun. Let's jump right in. Number 1. Solar Cooling Hat. This is not the regular summer cap. It has a tiny built-in fan that runs directly off sunlight through the solar. You don't need batteries, just step outside and the fan kicks in, pushing cool air across your face. The fabric of this hat is lightweight, breathable, and rated for full UPF sun protection, so it shields you while keeping you comfortable. Number 2. Solar Bug Zapper. This little gadget looks like a lantern, but it's actually your new secret weapon against mosquitoes and flies. The Solar Bug Zapper charges itself during the day, and at night it uses a 4,500-volt grid to take care of pests quietly. You can run it automatically or flip it to manual mode if you prefer control. It's portable, rechargeable, and even comes with a 10-foot extension cord for flexibility. Number 3. Rolling Knee Pad. This looks like a simple rolling platform, but it's actually designed to save your knees and your back while you work. It gives you a cushioned base with built-in wheels, so instead of shuffling around on the floor, you just glide effortlessly to where you need to be. On top of that, it has a built-in tool tray, so your essentials stay right underneath you, not scattered across the workshop. Number 4. Digital Measuring Tape. The digital measuring tape is actually 3 tools in one. You've got a traditional steel tape for quick checks, a high-precision laser rangefinder for longer distances, and a digital display that makes reading measurements effortless. It runs on just 2 batteries, so no bulky charging is needed. Whether you're setting up furniture, doing DIY projects, or just curious how big a room really is, this tool makes measuring a whole lot easier. Number 5. Automatic Bubble Machine. This machine fires out over 20,000 bubbles a minute thanks to its twin fan system. Just load it with the included bubble solution, switch it on, and watch the air fill with bubbles in seconds. It's battery-powered, light to carry, and built for outdoor fun. Perfect for kids, parties, or just making any day feel a little more magical. Number 6. Password Keeper Journal. You know how every website wants a new password, and before you know it, you've forgotten half of them? That's where this Password Keeper Journal comes in. On the outside, it looks like a simple hardcover notebook, but inside, it's got alphabetical tabs to neatly organize all your logins, emails, and even addresses. You don't need apps, just a pocket-sized book that keeps everything in one safe place. Number 7. Resistant Food Container. This looks like a simple food container, but it's built to handle way more than leftovers. The airtight seal keeps grains, rice, or even pet food fresh, while the moisture-resistant design means nothing gets spoiled. It's surprisingly spacious yet stackable, so it saves space in your pantry or camping bag. The construction feels tough enough for daily use. Number 8. Ship-Shaped Humidifier. This might look like a decorative ship, but it's secretly a full-on smart humidifier. The design is playful, but inside you've got a 250 ml tank, 2 spray modes, and even sound wave technology to spread mist evenly. There's a remote for hands-free control, plus auto shut-off and timers so it never runs dry. At night, the multicolor ambient lights make it double as mood lighting. Number 9. Soundwave Dog Repeller and Trainer. This device uses safe sound wave technology to help stop unwanted barking and guide better behavior, all at the push of a single button. It's USB rechargeable, works up to 8 meters away, and is designed to pair with most collars. It is small, durable, and modern. It's not just a trainer, it's a safety device that makes life easier for both pets and their owners. Number 10. Electric Foot Callus Remover. This is a rechargeable and portable pedicure tool designed to take rough, dry, or cracked skin and smooth it out in seconds. It's built for modern foot care with an IPX6 water-resistant design so you can rinse it easily after use. The kit comes with multiple rollers, giving you a professional foot care experience right at home. Number 11. Electric Nail Clipper. This is a 2-in-1 electric nail trimmer that not only clips but also grinds your nails smooth with a 360-degree rotating blade. There's even a built-in LED light so you don't miss a spot, and a little debris bin to keep things tidy. It charges over USB, works quietly, and has a digital display to show battery life. It is safe to use for everyone, from kids to grandparents. Number 12. Magnetic Tea Brewing Pot. The magnetic tea brewing pot takes the whole process and makes it effortless. Drop in your leaves, pour hot water, and with a single press, the built-in filter releases perfectly brewed tea straight into your cup. The glass body shows off the brewing, while the magnetic seal feels premium every time you use it. Number 13. Desk Clock Fan. You've probably seen a desk fan before, but not one like this. At first glance, it's a sleek little metal fan that plugs right into USB, but look closer and the blades themselves display the time and even the temperature in real time. The brushless motor keeps it quiet, while the sturdy build makes it feel like more than just a gimmick. Number 14. Multicolor Faucet. This isn't your average bathroom faucet. The matte black finish gives it a bold, modern look, but the real magic is in the spout. As the water flows, built-in LEDs shift between 3 colors, turning an everyday task into something unexpectedly stylish. The high-arc waterfall design feels smooth and dramatic, while the single handle keeps control simple. Number 15. Rotating Tablet and Phone Stand. This is the rotating tablet and phone stand, and it might be the laziest gadget you'll ever want. The spiral base twists and locks into place, while the arm gives you a full 360-degree range of motion. Set it up by your bed, on the couch, or even on a desk, and suddenly, your hands are free for browsing, streaming, or video calls. Number 16. Phone Screen Extender. This little gadget looks like a simple stand, but open it up and your phone screen suddenly feels massive. It's a 3D screen extender that makes movies, videos, and even games look bigger and easier to watch. Fold it flat and it slips right into a bag or drawer. Set it up on a desk, kitchen counter, or even while traveling. It instantly turns your phone into a mini cinema. Number 17. Digital Pen Reader. This looks like an ordinary pen, but it's actually a digital reader. Just glide it across a page and it instantly scans text, reads it out loud, or even translates it on the spot. For students, it means faster studying. For people with dyslexia, it makes reading a lot easier. And if you're traveling, it doubles as a pocket translator. Number 18. Retro Wired Headset. This looks like something straight out of the 90s, but with a modern twist. It's a retro landline-style headset that plugs right into your phone with a Type-C jack. No adapters, no setup, just plug and go. You get volume control, a built-in mic, and a cable that won't tangle. Number 19. LED Makeup Mirror. This is a portable LED mirror with touch control. Tap once and you switch between 3 lighting modes: warm, cool, or natural, so your makeup always looks right, no matter where you are. The design is slim and sleek, perfect for slipping into a bag or even a pocket when you're traveling. It runs on simple batteries, so there are no messy cables. Number 20. Finger Mouse. This is a tiny, lightweight gadget that slips onto your finger and gives you full wireless control with a simple flick. It connects over 2.4G, so whether you're on a laptop, phone, or tablet, it's instantly ready. The design is compact, right-handed, and even comes with fun animal prints, making it stand out. Number 21. Automatic Tape Gun. This little gadget might just save your sanity during gift wrapping season. The Eagle Automatic Tape Gun is a one-handed dispenser that makes cutting and sticking tape effortless. No more fighting with rolls or losing the end. You press, pull, and it's ready. It even comes with 2 rolls included. Number 22. Long Pole Saw. This is the saw built for when you need to reach without the ladder. At up to 14 feet, it extends high enough to handle branches most tools can't touch. The stainless steel blade cuts clean through thick limbs, while the lightweight design means you stay in control the whole time. The handle feels ergonomic, the length adjusts in seconds, and the metallic finish gives it a sleek, durable look. Number 23. Glowing LED Umbrella. This umbrella has handle, lights up with glowing LEDs that run through the shaft, so even rainy nights look a little cooler. The transparent canopy makes the colors pop, and the straight handle feels solid in the hand. At the bottom, you even get a built-in flashlight, super handy when you're walking in the dark. Number 24. LED Beanie Hat. A beanie that actually lights the way. This knitted cap hides 4 built-in LEDs right at the front, bright enough for late-night runs, camping trips, or even fixing something in a dark corner. The light pops out for easy USB charging, and with 5 color options, it doesn't just work, it looks good too. Number 25. Fingerprint Cabinet Lock. This is a smart way to secure your drawers and cabinets. Instead of fiddling with keys, you just tap your finger and it unlocks instantly. The compact design works on double-door cabinets, file storage, even shoe racks at home or in the office. It runs on simple AAA batteries, and installation is quick, with no wiring needed. Number 26. Portable Knitting Machine. You don't need electricity to get creative. This knitting machine uses a clever rotating double needle system that lets beginners and experts knit hats, scarves, or even sweaters in minutes. It's compact, lightweight, and easy to carry, so you can take it from the living room to a craft class without hassle. Number 27. Water Bomb Drone. This is a foldable drone built to feel sleek yet powerful. You've got an 8K camera up front, paired with GPS navigation that keeps flights smooth and precise. Tap into long-range 5G transmission, and you can capture crisp shots without losing connection. Obstacle avoidance and auto-return give beginners real confidence, while Follow Me mode makes it feel almost alive in the air. Number 28. Underwater Fishing Camera. Drop this into the water, and suddenly you see the world fish see. This fishing camera packs a 4.3-inch HD display with night vision and triple light shielding, so even murky conditions don't stop it. The camera sits right by your bait, giving you a live feed of every movement below. It's USB rechargeable, safe to use at 36 volts, and built tough for both fresh and salt water. Number 29. HD Mini Camera. This tiny gadget looks harmless, but it's actually a full HD mini camera. It's small enough to sit on a desk, hide in a corner, or even clip onto a drone, yet it still packs night vision and motion detection. So you don't need apps, just plug it in via USB and it's ready to record. Built with a sleek, durable shell, it feels more like a proper tool. Number 30. Green Self-Leveling Laser. This is a tool that makes precision almost effortless. With 16 bright green lines projecting in every direction, it gives you perfect alignment whether you're setting tiles, hanging frames, or tackling serious renovation work. The self-leveling system takes out the guesswork, while the remote control means you adjust it without leaving your spot. It runs on a rechargeable battery, packs into a portable case, and feels built for professionals, yet simple enough for home projects. Number 31. Bed Wedge Pillow. You know that annoying gap between your bed and the wall where pillows keep slipping down? This wedge pillow is built to solve exactly that. Slide it into place and it neatly fills the gap, so everything stays where it should. But it's not just a spacer. Its angled design doubles as a backrest, perfect for reading, watching, or even working in bed. Number 32. 3D Art Painting. This isn't just a painting you hang on the wall. It's a 3D art quicksand painting that moves and shifts every time you flip it. The colors slowly drift and settle, creating new patterns right in front of your eyes, almost like watching a living artwork. It's the kind of piece that makes you stop and stare for a moment. Number 33. Window Cleaning Brush. This looks like an ordinary brush, but it's actually a clever little cleaning tool with a twist. The head works on glass, window screens, and even door panels, picking up dust, dirt, and pet hair with ease. The handle extends so you can reach higher windows without dragging out a ladder. And when it's dirty, just rinse and reuse. No disposable pads needed. And that's a wrap on 33 TEMU gadgets you'll wish you found sooner. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. And if you want more crazy gadget roundups like this, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe.